Hi, I'm Rian, the Team 100 Team Ireland. Welcome to this video in the Dev Plus CAD tutorials, series of videos where I take you to build an F1 School's Dev Plus car in OnShape. If you aren't already, go back to watch the first 3 videos in this series, which take you to build the nose cone, the cockpit area, and also the basics of OnShape. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the side pods of the car and also take you through what a bottom plan view is. I hope you enjoy this video. So we're going to start by making the bottom plan view, which is going to be a sketch on the bottom face. So you're just going to go Shift S for the sketch, enter to the camera, and then I'm just going to zoom in. So first we're going to make the wheels, which are going to be part of the plan, which will also include the wings and the side pod. So you're just going to be rectangles, which will allow us to space them out to make sure we've got enough space where we position them, because parts of them, including the wheels, need exclusion zones. So we need to make sure that we leave enough space for the wings when we're adding the wheels and side pods. So we're going to go with the G key to make a rectangle, this, and then 2 of them like that. We're just going to dimension them by the rules and regs. So I've got 30 millimeters diameter and 16.50 millimeters for the width. Then we're just going to add the 3mm exclusion zones on each side. These are just going to be more rectangles like this. And then we're just going to make the width of these rectangles 3mm. Then you can just click on any line and then move this whole group like this. So you just position it, leaving enough space for the side pods and also for the front wings. So the front is quite easy, however the back gets a bit more tight. So we're just going to leave enough space for the back wings without overcrowding the side pods. You can go quite close to side pods on the back, because unlike entry class we have a slope which allows us to utilize that instead of adding another slope at the back. So I'm just going to leave them there, and then we're just going to draw in the rectangle for the side pods. It's going to be like this. Now I've got that area. I'm just going to finish off by making a rectangle for the wings. So I'm just going to lock it in like that, and like that. So it's kind of lots of rectangles in a line would create our bottom plan view. The last thing we're just going to do is add in the lines for the axle holes. So it's just going to be the construction line, the middle, up, another one like this. I'm just going to make small center rectangles with the R key like this. No matter how deep they go into the car, they just need to be 3mm wide. So use the wrong tool there, like that. Okay. So we've finished that. Now we can go on to making the side pods, because in Dev class you don't actually need to make the wheels because they're standard wheels. So going to go onto the bottom of the side pods like this, and sketch, zoom in, and using our sketch as reference, we're just going to sketch down a kind of bottom view of the side pods. So it's usually going to be quite flat, and we're going to try and make an organic shape. We're lofting it up to the sides of the side pod. So I'm just going to use the spline tool and just start by creating a smooth kind of curve that goes right round the slope like that. Then you can manipulate different points. These white circles manipulate the angles at the ends, and then the blue circles are the positions. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then we're going to click I'm actually just going to edit it one more by creating a line that goes up like this, and then joins like that. Okay, so that's split it into two. I'm just going to use the use tool, or the U key, and just click on these lines over here like that. And the M key, or the cut tool, just to cut down this line, end line here, and then this end line over here. This has created two shapes, so one over here, one over here. So I'm just going to click the tick, and you can see our two shapes over here. So I'm just going to hide the sketch for the moment. Two shapes over here. So now we're just going to create a sketch over here, which is going to be kind of a cross section. So you can see the point we're going to use is this point over here as reference. I'm just going to click the N key, click the back like that, and the point is over here. So I'm just going to use the spline tool again, like that, and click on that point, and then go to back view, and just basically create a kind of smooth curving shape that goes around the car to here. So I'm just going to go almost like this, so it's quite a very steep curve, maybe like that. I'm going to try and elongate that as much as possible. It's going to look a bit like that. And then just going to go and create this into a shape. So just use the line tool from the bottom to here, up to there, and then also again to curve it all the way around the box, like that. So this is the second sketch, and then we're just going to create one final sketch, which is going to be on this plane over here. So we're just going to use the spline tool again, and so I'm going to this point over here, which is the end of the first curve. So then I'm just going to create a kind of leading curve that leads up to the side pods and joins up there. So you can just manipulate it however you want, like that. I think I'm going to do like that. And then I'm just going to use the line tool again, just to put in these lines over here. Here then, so we finished our three sketches. And now we're just going to use the loft tool. So we are going to first create the back section, which is going to be from here, not there. We're just going to hide the sketch for now to here. And then we're going to use a guide of this sketch over here. So this should be good. And then I'm just going to show these two sketches just for now. And I'm just going to go again, loft from here to sketch 11. And we're going to use the guide of this, like that. So hopefully that creates an organic shape that you like. If not, like I don't really like how this line goes down, I might just manipulate this by going match connections, go here to here instead. That looks slightly better, and maybe you might even try if it goes to here. This is quite steep, so I'm just going to go with here, like that. So obviously this isn't a perfect side pod, it's going to create quite a bit of drag, but hopefully it works by picking up what the wheel, the turbulence of the wheel. And obviously you want to use CFD testing to try and find the best combination of shapes for your side pods. Thanks Thanks for watching, and remember to comment and like this video if you enjoyed and learned something, and subscribe for more videos like this and our further CAD tutorial series.